What's up, y'all? Today's the time we clean the Skyline. So let's roll that intro and let's head on over. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a few rags here and get going. So we're gonna head over to my parents' place where they have my pressure washer, because where we're living right now at the apartment complex, they don't have a pressure washer or a hose system to clean all this stuff up. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna load up here and we're gonna head there. So let's do it. Baby up. I got that air freshener. Check out Fadine's Good Scent brand right here, right next to his air cooler. This thing makes the car smell so good. But yeah, all the rags, you know, had a little touches here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head out there and let's get going. Super fun driving this thing. You get a lot of looks on the road. All right, y'all, so we have made it to the house. We're gonna go ahead and grab some lunch here really quick. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean up the Skyline, bro. It's gonna be legit. Let's do it. All right, so I got the, you guys see that? I got the pressure washer set up. And then guess who came home? Look who it is. Say hi, Noah.
Hi.
Say hi to the people of the vlog.
Hi, I have my own YouTube channel.
Yeah, subscribe to it right here. We'll put it right, oh wait, I think it's right over here.
No, over here, yeah.
Yeah, it's over here.
Yeah.
It's my little brother, check him out. So, and then guess who's in the car? Who's in the car, Noah?
Mama.
Oh, mama. Look who it is. What's up, Mommy?
Yeah, hello.
So we're gonna go and set up the,
Oh my goodness,
This is my mama. Look, Filipino mama. It's right here. See? It's hot. It's 112 degrees right now.
You need to tell me if you're finished, you know what? When daddy arrived, hindi ka pwede wash dito, you know?
It is so hot right now, bros. It's like, it's not even funny. But there she is, washing it up. Alright, so what I have is a foam cannon that I bought from Amazon. It was like 15 bucks or 20 bucks. But it's this little container right here. You can do the foamy bubble stuff and all that. But I'll link this piece down once I find it in the description so you guys can check it out. So, cool. Everybody else is like in a different state. Yo, y'all don't know what hot is until y'all are like in Arizona where it's like 115 degrees outside and your pavement's like 150, bro. Dude, it's so hot out here, man. Look at the tread of my shoe, bro. I got like none. I got no more tread, bro. That's melted. Ooh, sorry. That beep is melted, dog. All right, I'm gonna rinse this off. But dang. It's hot. Let's get this going. All right, yo. So here she is, clean as it can get. Oh, definitely need to get some coils for this thing to lower it. But yeah, so first wash of the Skyline ever. There's a lot of layers of dust. Honestly, there was so much more like gunk on the car. It's crazy. I bet you I took some gunk off from Japan and left it here. Ooh, cool. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. You know, just kind of cleaning it up, just like usual. Subscribe here. Check out that previous video. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and like this video and hit that notifications bell for more Skyline stuff, food stuff, whatever stuff that I do. But love you guys. Thanks for the support. We're almost at 200. Thank you. Bonus clip. What do you think, Mama? How do you feel sitting on the right side or left side?
Weird.
It's what?
It's weird.
Trisha, what about you? Oh, okay.
And it's too low.
It's too low.
Yeah, I cannot see.
But yeah, cool. Subscribe.
Okay, can you please
Okay,
hurry?
yeah, we're gonna go now.